Use slope-intercept form to sketch a graph of x plus 2y equals 8. Again, this isn't yet in slope-intercept form. We have to get the y alone first. So we have x plus 2y equals 8. To isolate the y, we have to get rid of that x. So we're going to subtract x on both sides. That leaves us with 2y on the left and 8 minus x on the right. To get y alone, we have to divide by 2. So we also have to divide the terms on the right-hand side by 2. This leaves us with y on the left. 8 minus 2 is 4. And then x isn't divisible by 2, but if we put a 1 in front, this is minus 1/2 x. It's easier to write the fraction in front of the variable because then you can read the slope more easily. Now this works. We can read the slope and the y-intercept from here. But if we're actually putting it in slope-intercept form, we've got to put the term with the x first. So the negative 1/2 x is going to come first, and then that positive 4 is going to come second. Now that it's in slope-intercept form, we can see that the slope is negative 1/2. And then the y-intercept is positive 4. And we can use that to sketch the graph. We always start with the y-intercept. So we find 4 on the y-axis. That's our starting point. And then we use the slope to find more points. The slope is negative 1 over 2. So our rise is negative 1. We're going to actually go down 1 and to the right 2 for our next point. So we've got a point right there. Then again, we're going to go down 1 and to the right 2. That gives us our next point. And down 1 and to the right 2. That's going to give us our next point. And down 1 and to the right 2. That gives us another point. And we can keep going again and again. Once you've got about 4 or 5 points, you should be able to figure out the rest of them fairly easily. There's quite the pattern. Now, if we want to go in the other direction, instead of going down and to the right, we go up and to the left. So we're going to go up 1 and to the left 2. And that gives us another point, this time in the second quadrant. And then we can go up 1 and to the left 2 again. That gives us another point. And we keep going again and again. And then we have many points to help us draw a beautifully straight line. Once we've drawn it, we can label it x plus 2y equals 8. And we're good to go.